amigos and amigas, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, my amigos and amigas, before we start, I'd like to say thank you very much for my sponsor for this content of my video, okay? So thank you very much. So my amigos and amigas, let's start about this small box. Are you curious where to buy some small boxes where you can give, especially this coming holiday? Where I will tell you, my amigos and amigas, and let's start. In this box, my amigos and amigas, it contains jewelry, but the jewelry is not about it. It's about this cute small box. The company that sponsored this box is the Xintianya paper products. So in this one, my amigos and amigas, it has a protective for the box, the first layer one, and the actual box for the jewelry inside is a bracelet. Okay, so this one. So if you're looking for a specific company that you can buy some cute box, especially for jewelry, food packaging, clothes packaging, and electronic packaging, do check out their website. I will put in the description box where you can contact them and you can buy their products. It's a very good quality, my amigos and amigas, because as you can see in this box, it has a protective soft here, like this one. See? And the jewelry, I mean my bracelet, is very secure there because of the tiny hole here, like this, a line. This one, and I can say it's very durable box because of the thickness. See, it's very thick. What I really like about this box, my amigos and amigas, because not only this box, it comes a first layer to protect this one, so it's very good one, my amigos and amigas. So it's not the size only, there's a lot of sizes, so do check out their links below. I put in the description box, okay, my amigos and amigas. Not only jewelry, and also a chocolate box. Okay, so if you're gonna ask me, my amigos and amigas, will I buy the packaging? Of course, my amigos and amigas, because of the quality in it. It's very hard and got a protective, and it's very ideal to give to someone. Okay, so thank you very much of the company Xintianya paper products. See, it got a lot of design for the jewel chocolate boxes and also others. You can check it out, my amigos and amigas, and I will put the product, their company products, and their website. Okay, so it's not just about jewelry boxes, a lot food packaging, clothing box, and jewelry, beauty, electronics. See, okay, so do check out their website, my amigos and amigas. Not just a jewelry boxes they produce, they also produce some boxes for your clothes and for your beauty box and electronics. See, so do check out. And also it got me attracted because of the design for the chocolate boxes. Okay, so it's very good one because Valentine's is coming. You might want to check it out. It's really nice. Okay, so if you're gonna ask me my rating on this product, my amigos and amigas, I would say 10 out of 10. Why? Of course, my amigos and amigas, I really like the jewelry box and its first layer protective, this one. Okay, so do check out. So thank you very much for watching this video, my amigos and amigas, on where to buy a specific jewelry box for your special one. Okay, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below in the comment section box if you want to mention something or add something to my future amigos and amigas. Do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to be updated to my upcoming video. Bye, my amigos and amigas, keep supporting me, and thank you very much, Xintianya Paper Products Company.